Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can delete your Line account. So to delete the Line account, first of all you open the Line application. Now once you're at the Line homepage, you need to tap on the setting icon on the top right. Tap that. Inside settings you need to tap on account in personal info. You tap that. Now in accounts, you need to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on delete account. If you delete your Line account, you won't be able to log in with it anymore. Here you tap on next. These are few information before you delete your Line account. Here you need to tick mark on the checkbox. Once you tick mark on the checkbox, after going through all the information, you need to tap on delete account. If you delete your Line account, all of your account data will be deleted and cannot be recovered. Are you sure you want to delete your Line account? You tap on delete and this will delete your Line account permanently. You have been logged out of your account and the account is in deletion process now and it will delete it permanently. So this is how you can delete the Line account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.